In this video, we're going to learn about the syntax of inline CSS. First of all, let's go to the projects folder and create a new folder for the CSS chapter. Let's call it CSS. And let's open this folder using brackets. Okay, we're going to create a new file inside this folder and let's call it inline css.html. I'm going to paste the web structure taken from the hello world file and let's have a title inline CSS. Okay, so we're going to create a paragraph. Deciding what not to do is as important as deciding what to do. Okay, so we want to decorate this paragraph using inline CSS. As the name suggests, inline CSS means that we are gonna be putting some styling inside the tag of the HTML element. So we're gonna use the style attributes, and inside this style we're gonna set the parameters that we want. So let's start with the color, for instance, and let's set it to green. Okay, let's go for live preview to see the changes as we are making them. Oh, okay, and let's change the font size as well to 300%, for instance. Okay, so the standard is 100%, which is 16 pixels, and 300% means that it's 3 times bigger than the standard. Okay, which means it's 48 pixels. All right, so this is the syntax. It's by using style, equal sign, and then inside the quotation marks, we put all the parameters and we set them to whatever we want. Okay, so this is how inline CSS works.